For the first time in the last 4 or 5 years that I've owned this car, I officially got myself completely locked out of it and completely stranded, and I did not have a key to drive the car home. I actually had someone come out to me and program one out and cut me a whole new key. It works perfectly fine. And look at this feature right here. I never, in the last 4 or 5 years, I've never had this feature because my key fob on the other car, the unlock button didn't work, but look at that. Damn. First time I've ever owned the car that I've been able to do that. So before, what I had to do every single time is stick the key in this way, unlock the car manually like that. And that honestly is just such a hassle, especially when it's raining outside or if it's really, really cold. Also, by clicking the unlock button, I love when you have the headlights on or auto, it turns the halos on. I think that looks so sick to be able to punch out your little key fob and then it activates the halos. So we're gonna go ahead and get in the car. So now that we're in the car and I have my brand new nice key fob, I'm gonna go and show you guys exactly how he programmed the new key. I took a video of the whole process and I'm gonna show you guys how he manually cut the key. I think it was really cool that he was able to drive out to me and his car was basically like his shop. That's pretty sick. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put that footage up right now and walk you guys through the process. He's setting up his equipment and basically gonna reprogram a new key to my car. So I'm just gonna kind of walk you guys through the process. What is that you did right there?
This is the OBD port, which is like a diagnostic port. The new key is this one.
Okay, cool. So new key right there.
And I'm gonna use this programmer to program the key.
So really like the main expensive is like all this equipment, right?
All this equipment.
So what, about 1,000?
No, this is like around five grand.
Oh, wow. Jeez. You can do like all cars.
Yeah, most of the cars.
Yeah. And as you guys can see, he decoded the VIN and it was accurate. So it shows you all the
information.
Yeah. Faults for those, for the DME.
Yeah, there are some faults. I'm gonna try to erase them. See, they are erased already. So there are no faults. All keys lost because we don't have any key.
Sadly.
We need internet connection, which is already.
And so that hooks up with Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Wow. Neat. What are like the main issues that you ever run into when you're programming people's cars? Is it like people's cars that have like electrical issues and stuff like that?
No, like the major issues is when the car is too like modern. Like,
okay.
Sometimes you have to make the key on the bench. You have to remove the ECM from the car and do it on the bench. It's called the computer of the car, or BCM, ECM. And then you have to like open it up and solder some cables, some wires.
No, that's too much.
So key generated successfully. Insert the new key into the ignition.
So now he pulled it out, stuck it in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's modded. It has it has a lot of.
That's interesting.
So now we're gonna see if the remote works. Can you do the unlock? Oh, nice. Yeah, he was able to code everything. He literally put the key right here and was able to fire everything up there. Yeah, everything works. That was very quick, very efficient. We have the key code right here in the middle, and all he's doing is getting that key code, because to cut the actual physical key, you need that key code. That way it cuts the correct one. And right here, guys, he has the full machine set up to actually cut the key, but he basically got the key code, punched it into here, and now what he's gonna do is actually grab the physical key. And as you guys can see, he put the physical key in, and now he's actually cutting it, which is pretty crazy.
It's hooked up to the battery, but he uses this converter from.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
Distances are so.
Just flipping the key over. Just making sure. Cool. Yeah. Sweet. So he cut the new key and it worked. And it sounds so funny when I say it back to myself, guys, because you would think just having a unlock feature work on the car isn't a huge deal, but it's one of those things that you do not appreciate until you have it. And you can see key fob looks all nice and shiny, nice and new. He actually got me one of the key fobs that has the replaceable batteries, so I can pop this little cover off and replace them with some like Energizer batteries. Obviously, I'm gonna put the little BMW emblem here. And I'll show you guys, obviously it works. Now guys, this is one of those small things that you don't appreciate until it's gone. But I promise you, once your fob stops working, like your unlock button doesn't work, etc., it is a hassle to constantly use the manual key. And it just looks so aggressive, being able to come out to your car, unlock it, and then the little halos spark up. They didn't that time. Well, yeah, guys, I just thought I would show y'all a quick video because I thought it was pretty sick how he basically reprogrammed a key and cut the entire physical key in his car. I thought that was pretty cool. I've never lost my key, but I know the unlock button did not work before. So now that it works, I'm pretty happy. If y'all like this video, smash that thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all, or if you're in the area and need somebody to program your key fob. I'll give you the gentleman's information that did mine. But other than that, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so y'all can stay in the loop on all the videos to come, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.